Hey guys, it's Jenni and today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a pillow. So, let's get started. You need stuffing. You can get stuffing at the store. Any store really, like a Walmart or some craft store. You need the fabric. And then you're going to need your sewing kit. You can get a sewing kit basically anywhere. Even dollar stores sell them. Your needle. You're going to need a color strand that matches your fabric. Scissors. Okay, so step 1. You're going to turn your fabric inside out. Okay. You want your fabric inside out because how we're going to sew. We're going to thread the needle. Get your thread out. It helps you thread it if you lick it. Just because I don't know, it smooths it down. It makes it thinner to fit because the holes in the needle are pretty tiny. Threading a needle can take anywhere between a minute and 20 minutes because it can be hard. Now the bigger the needle hole, the easier it is. And usually when you buy sewing kits, they come with assorted needles, so they have all different sizes. If it's your first time threading a needle, you might want bigger needles. Alright, when you get the needle threaded, you want to pull it through. You want to estimate how much thread you're going to need. I'm going to estimate at least this much. Now after you decided how much thread you want to tie the two ends together. So when you put the needle through, it's going to be double, like that. As much as you think it needs. Depends on how thick your fabric is. The thicker the fabric, you don't need as big as a knot. But if your fabric is thin, you might need a bigger knot to make sure it doesn't pull through. After you thread your needle, you knot it. Make sure your fabric is folded in two. You're going to start from one end, and you're going to work through that side, and then you're going to pull back and go back to the end of that side, so you're going to double thread it. This is the end of my fabric. You want to start at the very end and pull it all the way through. Quarter over, you want to stick the needle through and pull it through again. And then you're going to have this little line, right? So you're going to keep doing that pattern until you come to the dashes. So once you finish sewing and you get this, the little stripe pattern, then you're going to go from the corner you stopped with your threaded needle, and you're going to continue through to connect the patterns. But after you get one side of your fabric looking like this, you want to tie and knot the ends together. After you tie and knot the ends, you want to do two other sides. You want to leave a side open. You do not want to close all 4 sides, you only want to close 3 sides. After you've tied knot all 3 sides, you want to turn your little fabric inside out. So now this is what it looks like. A nice seam. You want to do is rethread your needle. Start sewing. Start in the inner lip. That's where you should start your thread so you don't have loose thread hanging out when you finish threading. You're going to want to start doing the same thing we did last on the other sides. You want to use the same pattern.